Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to go over. First of all, we're going to go over all of the good deals and glitches that are going on at Dollar General this week. Plus, we're going to talk about the clearance event, and I'm going to be announcing the winners of the PNG insert giveaway. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first of all, let's go ahead and talk about the much anticipated DG clearance event. So I did finally get confirmation this week from my sources that we will in fact be having a Dollar General clearance event starting on June the 10th and running through the 12th. So for all of my OG crazy couponers out there, y'all already know I've got you covered. But for our new crazy couponers, you guys just need to go ahead and turn on your notifications. Make sure that they are set to all, because I am going to have probably about 3 videos coming out next week that go over all of the visuals, pictures, coupon matchups, sales, whatever we have. It's all going to be included so that you guys will have all of the information that you need to know about this next clearance event. Now, just because those 3 videos won't be out until next week does not mean that y'all can't start preparing for this next Dollar General clearance event, because I already have a video ready to rock and roll for y'all, and it is called Clearance Events, Everything That You Need to Know. So basically in this video, I'll go over everything in general. So if you've never heard of a clearance event, if this is your first time participating in a clearance event, or if you just need a quick refresher on the DG clearance events, here's the video for you, and I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. So in this video, I'll go over the basics of the DG clearance events. I go over most frequently asked questions that I've received in the past. I go over tips and tricks, and basically just give you guys the groundwork of everything that you need to know before we start talking about those specific items and coupon matchups that are going to be included in this next clearance event. So this video is definitely a must watch. I have even had veteran couponers who have been couponing for years come back and tell me, hey, this is an awesome video, and I watch it before every single clearance event. So definitely go and check it out. Like I said, I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below, and I'm also going to be making a post about it in the community tab later on today. Alright, now let's go ahead and get into our good deals and glitches. So first up, we have a sale on the Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, Sunkist, A&W, 7-Up, and RC Cola 12 packs. They're on sale this week, 3 for $11. Next up, we have Coca-Cola 6 packs. They're going to be on sale this week, 3 for $9. And we also have Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6 packs. They are also on sale this week, 3 for $9. Next up, we have the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 12 packs. They are on sale, 3 for $12 this week. And we also have the Clover Valley Bottled Water 24 packs. These are on sale 2 for $8. Next up, we have General Mills and Kelloggs cereals. They are on sale this week, 3 for $6. And here's a really good sale. We have the Betty Crocker Hamburger Helpers. These are on sale this week, 3 for $3, making those $1 each. Next up, we have a couple of candy deals. So we have the bags of Dum Dum Suckers. These are priced at $2.25. We have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.75. And we also received a new digital coupon for save $2 when you spend $7 on any Kit Kat or Payday products. So there are several different ones that y'all could choose from. You can mix and match that are priced at $1 each. So we have the Payday single candy bars, we have the Kit Kat singles, and we have the little Kit Kat peg bags that you can find on the end caps for $1 each. So pick up a total of 7, use that digital coupon. You're going to pay $5 for 7. Alright, next up we have a sale on the Scott Comfort Plus Bath Tissue 12 count. These are on sale this week too for $8. And don't forget, we do have that instant savings for when you spend $15. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So you can pick up a total of 4. Take advantage of that instant savings, and that's going to leave you paying $13 for 4. Alright, next up, here's this deal on Angel Soft. We have the Angel Soft Ultra Toilet Paper 6 Mega Rolls, and we have the Angel Soft Toilet Paper 8 Mega Rolls. Pick up one of each. They are on sale too for $11. Use both of these 1-off-1 digital coupons, and that's going to leave you paying $9 for 2. Alright, next up we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Sparkle Paper Towel. So you can pick up the Sparkle 6 double rolls. They're priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Now, these are also on sale this week too for $11, so you can pick up 2, use that digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $10 for 2. Now, we also have these Sparkle Paper Towel 6 Family Rolls. These are priced at $5, so after that 1-off-1 digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we received a 25-cent off one digital coupon for the Bounty paper towel. So if you want to pick up the Bounty Essentials, select a size 2 count. Those are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Now you can also use this digital coupon on the Bounty Essentials 2-ply paper towels 6 count. These are priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Next up, we received a 25-cent off one digital coupon for the Charmin toilet paper. So if you want to pick up the Charmin Essentials 12 count, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. Next up, we have Hefty paper plates, 15 count. These are on sale this week, $3 for $6. And we also have the Dixie plates or bowls. These are on sale this week, $2 for $7. Next up, we have a sale on the Glad trash bags. So these are normally $9.25, but they're on sale this week for $7.95. And we have a 50-cent off one digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $7.45. Next up, we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Tide Pods 43 count or the 115 ounce liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $15.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Tide and Bounce laundry products. So there's a lot that you can choose from. These are all priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Next up, we received a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain liquid laundry detergent, the Flings, or the Fireworks. These are all priced at $15.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain laundry products that are priced at $4.50, and the Gain powder laundry detergent is included this week. It is on sale for $4.50. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $3.50. Next up, we received a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Downy Liquid Fabric Softener or the Scent Boosters. So these are priced at $10.95. After that coupon's applied, you're going to pay $8.95. Now we also received a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Downy Scent Boosters that are priced at $10.95. So after that coupon's applied, you're going to pay $7.95. Next up, we received another 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Extra Laundry Detergents. These are priced at $5.30. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.30. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. So these are all priced at $3.75. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And just as a quick reminder, you may still have this 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer Power Packs. If that's still on your account, pick up one of those for $3.75. Use that digital coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. Alright, next up, we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Cascade Action Packs 30 to 63 count. So if you want to pick up the 38 count, those are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. Next up, we received a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Gain dish soap. So these are on sale this week too for $4. After that coupon's applied, you're going to pay $3 for 2. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Swiffer products. So you can pick up the Swiffer mopping cloths, the dry sweeping cloths, or the duster starter kits. These are all priced at $5 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Febreze Unstoppable. So these are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Febreze products. You can pick up the air fresheners, the small spaces, or the wax melts. These are all priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. Alright, next up, we received this awesome buy one, get one free digital coupon for the Fabuloso products. So basically, you're going to pick up one of the multi-purpose cleaners at $3.55 and one of the Fabuloso disinfecting wipes at $2.65. Use that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3.55 for 2. Alright, next up we have a sale on the Kingsford Original Charcoal 8-pound bags. These are normally $8.50, but right now they are on sale for just $5. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Rexall vitamins. So if you want to pick up the Rexall Biotin 60 count, those are priced at $2.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.60. And just as a quick friendly reminder, don't forget about that instant savings on Craz-E, Dove, and Axe products. When you spend $8 on any of those brands, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register, and this instant savings will not end until June the 11th. So here's a quick deal that y'all can still do. We have the Dove 3-count bar soaps. These are priced at $4 each. Pick up 2 of those after the instant savings and that 2 off 2 digital coupon is applied. You're going to pay $4 for 2. Alright, next up, we received 2 awesome digital coupons for 3 off 1 for the Old Spice body wash, the body spray, or the dry sprays. So if you want to pick up the body wash, these are priced at $5. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying just $2. Now, if you want to pick up the Old Spice body sprays, the majority of these are priced at $5.50. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.50. Alright, next up, we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Pantene Nutrient or Miracle products. So if you want to pick up the Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal 3-Minute Miracle Daily Conditioner. Woo, that is a long name. These are priced at $5 each, and we have an instant savings for save $2 at the register when you purchase 2 of the Pantene products. So after that is applied, plus that coupon, that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2. Alright, next up, we received a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the L'Oreal Paris skincare products. So there are several different moisturizers that you can choose from. They are all priced at $10 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $7. Next up, we received a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Neutrogena cleansers. So if you want to pick up the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Face Wash, these are priced at $4.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Neutrogena wipes. So these are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Alright, next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate mouthwash. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate manual toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the Colgate Max White Toothbrush Medium, those are priced at $2.70. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.70. Next up, we received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, these are priced at $2.85. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.85. Now, we also received a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate Cavity Protection Baking Soda Triple Action or Deep Clean Toothpaste. These are priced at $2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Alright, now let's go ahead and get into our glitch list, shall we? So first up, we have this 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Olay products. This is working on the Olay 2-count bar soap. So pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $5.70. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.70 for 2. Now, I also received a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Neutrogena moisturizer. So if you want to pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Trial Size, these are priced at $8.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.35. Alright, next up, this one is not a good deal, but it is still a glitch, so I have to include it in the glitch list. So we have saved $3 when you purchase 1 of the Old Spice Gentleman's Deodorant and 1 of the body washes, but this is working when you pick up 2 of the deodorants. So pick up 2 of those, that's going to put you at $14. Use that coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. Alright, next up, we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Crest mouthwash. So if you want to pick up the Crest with Scope mouthwash found in the trial or travel section for $1, use that digital coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. And last but not least, we have our freebie of the week. So we have the Colgate Junior toothpaste. These are $1 each. Pick up 1 of those, use this 1 off 1 digital coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. Alright guys, so that is it for our good deals and glitch list video, but don't run away just yet because now it is time to announce the winners of the PNG insert giveaway. But before I announce the winners, I do want to say thank you to everybody who participated in this giveaway. Thank you so much. It means the absolute world to me. And thank you to everybody out there who just supports the channel daily by clicking on the videos, hitting the thumbs up button, leaving me awesome, amazing comments that really do brighten up my day. So thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. And now, the winners of the PNG insert giveaway are Hope L and Rita M. So congratulations, ladies, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. If you too will send me an email with your mailing information included, I will have these mailed out to you all ASAP. So thank you so much again, and congratulations. And one more quick friendly reminder before you all go, don't forget to mark it down on your calendars that the next Dollar General clearance event will begin on Friday, June the 10th and run through Sunday, June the 12th. And don't forget to turn on your notifications for the Crazy Coupons YouTube channel because I will be bringing y'all tons and tons of information next week and you do not want to miss out. So turn on those notifications and make sure that they are set to all. Also, don't forget to check out the pinned comment right down below this video because I'm going to have the DG clearance events video linked right down below. So I'm going to make it super simple and easy for y'all to click on that link, head on over there and check out that video as well, and go ahead and start preparing for this awesome clearance event. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but make sure that y'all stay tuned because you just never know what I'm going to post next. So make sure that you're subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below and let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful week and I will see you on the next one.